Hello class 8 students. Now your exams are starting from Monday, and I again want to remind you that in the question paper the questions will come from all the topics which we have covered in 15th assignment to 25th assignment, and that will be a 40 marks plus 25 marks you will be getting from the assignments right from number 1 to assignment number 25. So it is compulsory to send all the assignments from 1 to 25. Now children, we were doing chapter 5 light energy. Today I will tell you refraction of light through a rectangular glass block. See children, this I have drawn the boundary of a glass block. It is made up of glass. So now we have two boundary surface, PQ and SR. Now the light ray will pass first from air to glass and then again from glass to air. So see children how when the incident ray is incident on the first surface, what will happen? See, this AB is the incident ray and this is the normal which I have drawn. The angle which the incident ray makes with the normal is called the angle of incidence I. Now since the light is coming from air to glass, and air is rarer medium and glass is denser medium. Light is coming from rarer to denser, it will bend towards the normal. Now it touches the second boundary surface SR separating glass and air. From here the light is moving from denser to rarer medium. So it will bend away from the normal. This angle is called angle of refraction made with the refracted ray with the normal. And this is the emergent ray, and the angle the emergent ray makes with the normal is called the angle of emergence E. So angle I, angle R, angle E. So this is the incident ray and this is the final emergent ray. If we produce this incident ray forward, we will see that the incident ray produced forward and the emergent ray are parallel to each other. This ray of light, instead of going straight in the presence of glass block, it is displaced at this position. So this is known as lateral displacement of the ray. It is shifted when the glass block is placed in this path. So this is called lateral displacement. And one more thing, this angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of emergence. If this is 30 degrees, angle of emergence will also be 30 degrees. So children, this was the refraction of light through a rectangular glass block. Now the next topic is diffraction of light through a prism. Now what is a prism? A prism is a transparent medium. It is bounded by 5 plane surfaces with a rectangular cross section. If you look from the front, it will look like a triangular. Sorry, not rectangular, it is triangular. But how many total plane surfaces it has? 5. See how this front first, then back second, then this third is the base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See children, suppose I am using your physics book to show the that view of a prism, how it looks like. See, suppose there is a base also. So first surface this, second this, third, then back fourth, and this base is the fifth. But the front section is a triangular. So we are only concerned with the front section of the prism, and we will do the refraction of light when the ray of light passes through the two surfaces of the prism, front section of the prism. Suppose this PQ is the incident ray and it is falling at the first surface AB of the prism. We draw normal at this point. Since the light is going from air to glass, rarer to denser medium, so it will bend towards the normal and it will move like this. This is the refracted ray. Now again the ray is going from denser to rarer medium, and this is the normal drawn at this point. So it will move away from the normal. So the ray was falling like this, but after passing through the prism, it has bent like this. This is the emergent ray. So whenever the light ray passes through the prism, it always bends towards the base. Base is downwards, so the ray of light will bend downwards. Suppose the prism is kept like this. Now the base is upwards. So the light ray will move like this towards the base, upwards. So the light ray always bends towards the base of the prism. Now children, next is dispersion of white light by a prism. You know the white light is composed of 7 colors. You have seen the rainbow 7 colors. How rainbow is formed? Rainbow is formed due to refraction of light, and the phenomena of the formation of rainbow by a prism is called as dispersion. This Newton discovered the dispersion of light. He allowed white light from a small aperture to enter a dark room. From the sun the light was coming. Now he placed a glass prism in front of the path of the light rays. The light coming out of the prism was received on a white screen. On the screen, a colored patch like a rainbow was formed, and this patch is called as spectrum. The patch of 7 colors formed by the splitting of light, this is called splitting of light, that is called spectrum. And this phenomena is known as dispersion. So, there are splitting of white light into 7 colors by passing through a prism. That is known as dispersion. And starting from the side of the base of the prism, the colors in the spectrum are in this order: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So, white light is composed of 7 colors. From the bottom, violet will start because the maximum bending is of violet. Violet color is deviated the most. Then indigo, then blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Red color is deviated the least. This is because the colors have different speed in this glass. Violet travels with the minimum speed, so it is deviated the most. And red colors travels with the maximum speed in glass, so it is deviated the least. So the deviation is concerned with the speed of the different colors in the glass. So this phenomena is known as dispersion of white light, and the band of colors formed on the screen is called as spectrum. And the reason for this is that light travels with different speed in different media. When in here the speed of light is same, all the colors travel with the same speed. But when they enter the glass, each color has a different speed. So they split themselves, they are scattered, and they are, if they are collected on a white screen, they form a band of 7 colors.